Gutire ihiga rigutigwo ritari rigariuranie thiini wa mihang'o ino ya kuhinga thukuru iria itakinyaniirie ikiro. Uu ni kuringana na thirikari iria ithiite ona mbere na kuhinga thukuru iria itakinyaniirie ikiro icigo-ini itiganite. Mwena wa Mombatha thukuru 147 ni irikitie kuhingwo ni thirikari kuumana na ugwati wa kumomoka gukirikana miako ya thukuru ici ni ugwati munene kuri ciana.
We have 5 classes now in one room.
Mutabania munene wa githomo mwena uyu wa Mombatha Hassan Duale augite mihang'o ino no iguthii nambere gukirikana ona thukuru imwe citiandikithitio.
Unfortunately, the school is in a dilapidated environment, not suitable for any student live about learning, but anybody to live in such environment.
Hamwe na uguo mwene thukuru imwe mwena uyu ni aikitio ngono thutha wake kwirikana ati ni ahingurite thukuru uria urarikitie kuhingwo.
Clear under Basic Education Act 78 is very clear. The penalty is dire operating institution without valid registration. We want to tell the public, let us not destroy the future of our children.
Gukiri uguo arutwo aria marathomagira thukuru ici 147 ni marikitie guthamirio thukuru ingi. Hassan Duale akiruta mukana mururu kuri ene thukuru aria mangikorwo na methugunda ma kuhingura thukuru iria irikitie kuhingwo. Ribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.